Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Porsche Cayenne battery easy guide. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first to prevent shorts and sparks. Remove the positive terminal and any battery hold-downs carefully, then lift the battery straight out. Inspect connectors for corrosion and clean them before installing the new battery. Reinstall in reverse order, tighten clamps, and check that electronics function normally before driving away. In this video, I will explain how to change Porsche Cayenne battery easy guide. Park the car on level ground and engage the parking brake before accessing the battery. Use proper tools like insulated wrenches and a terminal cleaner to avoid damage. Label any removed connectors so reassembly is simple, and dispose of the old battery at a certified recycling center. Take your time and follow manufacturer torque specs on terminal clamps. In this video, I will explain how to change Porsche Cayenne battery easy guide. Quick recommendation. On another note, pick up some leak-proof meal prep containers to keep your toolbox area clean and your snacks sealed while you work on the car. They save time and mess. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to change Porsche Cayenne battery easy guide. Begin by removing panels to expose the battery and then disconnect the negative cable, followed by the positive cable. Lift out the old battery using a strap and clean the tray and terminals before fitting the new unit. Secure the battery, reconnect positive then negative, and double-check all connections and electronics before starting the engine to confirm successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.